Welcome back to AS Motor Zone, and today this motorhome is not just big, not just luxurious, this motorhome is a rolling vision of the future, a machine that looks like it escaped from the next decade and parked itself right here in front of us. This Toyota motorhome is bold, extreme, futuristic, and honestly, something the RV world has never seen before. At first glance, the sheer size of this Toyota motorhome completely dominates your senses. This thing is ultra long, stretched way beyond a traditional RV, with an extended wheelbase that gives it that unstoppable expedition look. The body is massive in width and height, making it feel more like a luxury fortress on wheels than a normal motorhome. The proportions are perfectly balanced for a heavy-duty expedition vehicle, and the stance alone tells you this motorhome is built to go anywhere, anytime. Let's talk exterior, because that's where this motorhome instantly steals the spotlight. The design language is aggressive yet clean, with sharp geometric body lines flowing from front to back. The armored composite panels give it a military-inspired toughness, but Toyota's futuristic touch keeps it premium and elegant. The brown metallic paint finish adds a unique luxury vibe, standing out from boring white RVs you see everywhere. Under showroom lights, the paint has a subtle satin sheen that highlights every angle and curve. The front end looks powerful and confident, with a bold face that feels unmistakably Toyota, but evolved for the future. The headlights are sleek and integrated seamlessly into the body, giving it a high-tech appearance. There are no traditional side mirrors here. Instead, you get digital camera mirrors that reduce drag and improve visibility, especially helpful for a motorhome of this size. Now look down at the wheels, because they are absolutely insane. Massive 14 by 14 off-road tires with deep, aggressive tread wrap around oversized beadlock rims. These tires aren't just for looks, they're designed for serious off-road capability. The ultra-wide axle stance gives this motorhome unbelievable stability, whether it's cruising on highways or tackling rough terrain. The reinforced off-road suspension and high ground clearance mean this RV isn't afraid of mountains, deserts, snow, or muddy trails. The armored wheel arches are fully armored, adding to the rugged personality while protecting the body during extreme adventures. From the side profile, the motorhome looks muscular and unstoppable, like a luxury tank built for exploration. One of the most striking features is the full-length panoramic glass panels running along the sides. But this isn't ordinary glass, it's pure black, opaque stealth-style glass with zero transparency. You can't see inside at all, which adds mystery and privacy while keeping the interior completely hidden. It also enhances the futuristic and stealth-inspired aesthetic, making this motorhome feel like a secret project straight out of a concept lab. Up top, the roof is packed with advanced technology. Aerodynamic modules reduce wind resistance despite the size, while integrated solar panels help power onboard systems. This means you can stay off-grid longer, making it perfect for long expeditions without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Now let's step inside and imagine what this motorhome offers, because the interior is where luxury meets innovation. The moment you enter, you're greeted by a spacious, open-plan layout that feels more like a modern luxury apartment than an RV. Thanks to the elongated body, there's room to breathe, move, and live comfortably, even on long journeys. The materials used throughout the interior are top-tier: soft-touch leather surfaces, premium wood accents, brushed metal trims, and ambient LED lighting create a calm and upscale environment. Everything feels solid, refined, and thoughtfully designed. Toyota's focus on build quality is evident in every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the seamless integration of technology. The driver's cockpit is fully digital, featuring a wide panoramic display that shows navigation, vehicle data, terrain modes, and camera views. Advanced driver assistance systems help manage such a massive vehicle with ease, including adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree cameras that make parking surprisingly stress-free. The living area is where this motorhome truly shines. Plush seating arrangements allow you to relax, entertain guests, or enjoy a movie night on a massive retractable screen. The sound system is tuned for immersive audio, turning the interior into a private cinema. Smart climate control ensures perfect temperature no matter where you are, whether it's a freezing mountain or a hot desert. The kitchen is fully equipped for real cooking, not just reheating meals. You get a full-size refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and generous storage space. High-end countertops and smart cabinets make the kitchen both stylish and practical. Moving towards the rear, the bedroom area offers hotel-level comfort. A king-size bed with memory foam mattress, ambient lighting, and noise insulation ensures restful sleep even in extreme environments. Storage compartments are cleverly hidden, maximizing space without clutter. The bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a full-size shower, premium fixtures, water-saving technology, and modern design. This is not a compromise bathroom. It's a true luxury experience. Now, let's talk performance, because a motorhome this big needs serious power. Under the hood, this Toyota motorhome would likely feature a high-output hybrid or next-generation turbo diesel powertrain. Toyota's hybrid expertise could allow this massive vehicle to deliver impressive torque while maintaining efficiency. The electric assistance would be especially useful for low-speed off-road crawling and silent operation at campsites. Despite its size, the driving experience is surprisingly smooth. The advanced suspension absorbs bumps effortlessly, while the long wheelbase provides stability at highway speeds. This motorhome feels planted, controlled, and confident, whether you're cruising across states or navigating challenging terrain. Fuel efficiency, while not car-like, would be impressive for a vehicle of this class, thanks to hybrid technology, aerodynamic design, and intelligent energy management systems. Solar panels further reduce dependence on fuel, making long trips more sustainable. Safety is a major focus here. The reinforced body structure, advanced braking systems, traction control, and multiple airbags ensure peace of mind for families and adventurers alike. Toyota's reputation for reliability adds another layer of confidence, especially for long-distance travel. Now the big question everyone asks: price. A futuristic Toyota motorhome like this would sit firmly in the premium segment. Based on its size, technology, materials, and off-road capability, pricing could realistically start around $350,000 and go well beyond $500,000, depending on customization and features. This isn't for everyone, but for those who want the ultimate luxury expedition motorhome, it offers unmatched value. What makes this motorhome truly special is that this is my own design style and vision of the future. This is not something you can buy today, but it represents where the RV and motorhome industry is heading. In the future, you'll see manufacturers creating motorhomes inspired by designs like this, blending luxury, technology, sustainability, and extreme capability into one powerful package. This concept shows that motorhomes don't have to be boring boxes on wheels anymore. They can be bold, futuristic, aggressive, and luxurious all at once. And one day, when you see motorhomes like this on the road, you'll know that the future arrived exactly as imagined. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Toyota motorhomes and want to see more exclusive concept reviews like this, subscribe to AS Motor Zone and stay tuned for what's coming next.